Okay guys, I flocked my tree. Robert and I did. We made the flocking stuff, which is cornstarch, men's shaving cream, and glue from the dollar store. Actually, you can get it all from the dollar store. You just mix them together, and this is beautiful. I think if I wanted to do more of the flocking to make it even thicker, I'll have to make another batch, but I used a huge bowl just to do this. But it really does look good. I mean, it looks like snow. So I did add some clumps here and there to give it the look of snow. This is so cool. What a good idea, guys. It's just another DIY. I was starting to run out, so I was a little more sparse in this area. So anyways, it looks good. I love it.